Hi, it's Blake Homie, and today I'm gonna do a everyday makeup routine because I've been getting a lot of questions. So first, I'm going to I'm gonna use I can't really get the I'm gonna use this lip oil by NK. It has jojoba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E oil in it, and I got it for like 99 cents at a beauty store. I like putting lip gloss on. I just like to put a ton on because like, moisture. My lips get chapped so easily, but when I consistently use like a lip oil or chapstick, my lips are cool with me. So now I'm gonna do my brows, and recently my friend bought the Shape Tape concealer and this Anastasia brow thing for me, and I'm really grateful about that because I've always wanted to try the Shape Tape. So I'm going to do this. Let me get a mirror. I like this because it gives off a really natural brow, and I'm used to really defined brows, which I like more, but when I want a natural brow, I can just use this.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak. I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that my will is weak.
Okay, so there's the brow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand.
Okay, so there are both my brows done, and now I'm just going to use this concealer, and like, this is like heavy concealer, so I just put like a dot, and then that's pretty much all I'm gonna use. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna put like a little more, just where my eyes are like a little dark. I should put a lot more. I like to blend out with my fingers just because I don't like the brush marks, and beauty blenders are too expensive. I know I can buy them for $2, but even when I do buy them, Marcy always chews them up, and yeah, I need to like get a container to keep the beauty blender in, because if Marcy's around, the beauty blender is gone, just completely gone. Okay, so that is it. Sometimes I'll like put a little on my chin to like make it look like I have more of a chin, because I have a really tiny chin. I don't know, maybe it fits my face perfectly and I'm just like looking at myself too much. And sometimes when I'm doing like a full face, I'll put it on my forehead a bit. So now I'm just gonna bronze, but anyways, I use the It Cosmetics thing, and they're a bad brand, but I took this from my sister, I'm sorry. I'm just going to like loosely bronze up. I'm also gonna, I like to put it like a little bit under my jawline to just kind of snatch my face as much as I can. And then I'll put a little on my forehead just to bring color to myself. I have a little forehead, so I don't really like to contour my forehead, but I like to bring a little color to myself. I stay inside all the time, so I'm like white and I hate it, but it's cool. So now I'm gonna use the blush in the palette, and I'm just gonna take that right there. Okay, I'll do a little on my nose too, because I just like to have a blushy nose. That's a lot blushy. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take this highlighter from Milk Makeup. It's lit.
It's lit. Perfect. Haha, it's lit. Oh yeah, girl. Fire emoji, wet emoji, gonna get all the eggplant emoji.
And I'm gonna put that on my nose. I'm not gonna do the highlight of the bridge because my bridge piercing is healing and I don't want it. I can't put makeup on it. And then I'm going to just dab that on my cheek.
Three seconds on the clock. Stop burning in your face, disgrace.
Okay, so it's just like a soft glow, and I like soft glows. Okay, now I'm gonna do my freckles. I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow palette that some eyeshadow just fell out of, and a paintbrush, and I'm just gonna take color and dab on some freckles.
I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheek, tell him that I was weak. I wonder if I died with tears come to her eyes. But nah, you wouldn't understand. I reached my peak.
Let me turn that in. So this is my everyday makeup look.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Yeah, so this is my everyday makeup look. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.